Hello, Namaskaram. Welcome back to the recipe series. So today we're going to do a fiery prawn roast recipe. Quick and easy for your special weekends. Let me get into the recipe right away. So I've got some really fresh prawns from the market. So we get into the recipe right away. So first and foremost, I'm going to marinate the prawns. It's nicely peeled and cleaned and kept. For the marination, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. It's spicy, so that's why I'm adding a little bit extra. Quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Nicely marinate it, and once it's marinated, it needs to rest for good 15 minutes. So prawns are well marinated, let it rest for good 15 minutes, then we go to the next step. So we go to the next step of the recipe. I got some nice virgin coconut oil. So 1 tablespoon of that. Once the coconut oil is nice and hot, we'll just add the mustard seeds. Once the mustard starts to splutter, we add some red chili, around 3 of them. At this stage, you go with 2 onions. Once you see the onions are nice and translucent, you go with some sliced garlic, 2 garlic pods, a few ginger juliennes. Since it's the fiery prawn roast, I'm going to add some extra green chilies. So I'm adding around 3 to 4 green chilies. I love it spicy, so spices according to your own taste. I'm going to add some curry leaves at this stage. I generally try to add the curry leaves later so that the freshness also remains in the curry leaves flavor. So you see the onions are nice and translucent, everything is sauteed well. This is the stage when I'm going to add the prawns, which we had marinated and kept, to the sauteed onions. Let the prawn get nicely seared along with the onions. Keep stirring it. It's a very quick dish. So it took almost 8 to 10 minutes to finish the dish. Our prawns are ready. The fiery prawn roast masala, Rasam style, is ready to be served. You can enjoy that with some steamed rice or some appam or parota. So the beautiful prawn roast, fiery style, the Rasam way, is ready to be served. Enjoy, try this recipe at home. Let me know how it came out. Give it to your friends and family, get their opinions, send me some messages as well. So until then, bye from Chef Avinash.